सो यहाँ जाके बहुत ही अच्छा दृश्य देखने को मिला। द काइंड ऑफ कलेक्शन ऑफ एनजीओज, उस तरह के आई थिंक एनजीओज को आपने सपोर्ट किया है जिनको वाकई सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ देम आर फ्रॉम इंटीरियर्स ऑफ इंडिया, वेरी वेरी रूरल, और शायद वो शहर तक ना पहुंच पाए ऑन देयर ओन, अपने आप को मार्केट ना कर पाए। तो ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड आई थिंक पारुल इट्स अमेजिंग जेस्चर ऑन योर बिहाफ कि आपने इनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है वेयर दे कैन display their talent, their products, and they are really creative. Some of them, I'm quite amazed to see the kind of things which they have produced. Very beautiful, creative, and जो इस्तेमाल होगी घर पे. They have been, of course, snacks. अब उनको सबको पता है फ्राइड कोई नहीं खाता, so lot of them have done roasted stuff. Lot of them have done using things like ज्वार, like बाजरा, soya, इस तरह की चीजें. And when they are given that platform, I would love to order, and I would love पारुल जी, आप एक उनको प्रमोट्स इंस्टाग्राम में भी करेंगे ना, तो बहुत लोगों को अच्छा प्रोडक्ट, साफ सुथरा प्रोडक्ट, और खाने पीने का तो है ही. दे हैव बीन ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट आइटम्स, ट्रेज, हाउस होल्ड आइटम्स, बेड कवर्स, क्विल्ट्स, अमेजिंग एरे ऑफ थिंग्स, जिससे सब हम हर रोज इस्तेमाल करते हैं. मेरा तो मन हो रहा था कि सब चीज़ लेती जाऊं साथ में, क्योंकि खुद चीज़ें इस्तेमाल करने के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी थी, एंड फॉर गिफ्टिंग सच अमेजिंग आइटम्स. हम लोग को कई बार सोचना पड़ता है कि क्या किसी को दें, बर्थडे है, एनिवर्सरी है, हाउस वार्मिंग है, हम लोगों को चीज़ें नहीं सूझती हैं और हम दुकानों में जाके कमर्शियल चीज़ें ले लेते हैं. सो आई वुड रेकमेंड टू ऑल पीपल कि जब आपको कुछ तोहफा देना होता है, गिफ्ट देनी होती है, तो जिनको मिलेंगी उनको भी खुशी होगी, और जो बना रहे हैं उनको भी बहुत खुशी होगी. सो सपोर्ट these artisans, these farmers, because they are the people who are the actual foundation of India. So it's wonderful, and I think ये जो NGOs को support मिल रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Thank you everybody, and thank you media for putting the message across to people.
Good evening everyone. Yellow Ribbon NGO Fair we started basically to promote NGOs, SAGs, artisans and farmers. NGOs spread such a good work in the society. They spread happiness with their good work. As the yellow color denotes that, we named it as a Yellow Ribbon NGO Fair. And I myself have an NGO, and when we made a beautiful products, we didn't know where to sell. And we realized most of the NGOs and SAGs have that problem. So we started 17 years back the fair to bridge the gap between the urban society and the NGOs. We gave them a platform, we market them. It's like any other fair, but it's only dedicated to NGOs, SAGs and farmers. And we don't charge them anything. We give them accommodation, and we also give them a training program how to do marketing, how to do packaging and do digital marketing. I can't thank enough God and all the supporters for the amazing result of the fair. The fair is not yet over, but so many NGOs came and told me that please register for us for the next year. That itself says that they have done an amazing business. They have learned from each other, and they have also got confidence and dignity that they are not have to ask for money, but with their product they can earn money and support their family, support their old parents, and live with the dignity. What we realize that there are so many unsung heroes in India who've been not recognized, but they are doing amazing work in the field of social work. So on that basis, we have created this award called Atulya Yogdan Award, which we do a lot of research and find out either the foundation or a individual who have contributed to the social work or a betterment of the society, and that's why this award has been supported by Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals.